Hi guys, good morning. What's up? What's poppin'? It's your girl Taniyah, Monique, and we are back with another weekend vlog. If you are new to the channel, hey girl, my name is Taniyah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber coming back for another video for the week, what's up, my friend? Yeah, let's get right into the video.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind.
Currently, I am headed to work. I am so sleepy this morning, y'all. I slept not to the last minute, but I didn't wake up at 5 o'clock like I've been doing this week. Neither did I go to the gym. So this week has been a very productive week. I have changed up my morning routine, switching up my lifestyle. I am really trying to be good, okay? I'm really trying to be productive, trying to wake up early so I can have more stuff done, and then that way in the afternoon it's not like a rush to have to get everything done, girl. So I've been waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning and working out. I'm trying to be good about my fitness and just getting up and being productive and not rushing to get ready to go to work, because one thing I don't like rushing, period. Like, I hate being rushed. So I've started waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning so that way I can get to work on time, not rushing, go to the gym, you know. And then in the afternoons I've been doing some exercise classes. I didn't do my exercise class yesterday, but I did get up and go to the gym yesterday, so I did get some type of fitness in. It's been an experience. I think I told y'all last vlog, if you watched it. If you're new and you didn't watch it, I'm not holding it, you know, towards you. But if you watched it, you know that I've been, I told y'all at the end of that vlog that I wanted to start doing Pilates. I got hiccups. Hey, I'm picking up a mobile order for Taniyah.
Okay, Taniyah, pulling around.
Thank you. But yeah, so I told y'all I wanted to do Pilates, and I did it Monday. Girl, that is no joke. That class is no joke. And I also did some mindfulness yoga on Tuesday. That was pretty cool. Learned some new stretches, because like I told y'all, one of my main problems, again, if you watched the last vlog, but like I told y'all, one of my main problems is the fact that I tend to not stretch when I wake up in the morning. So that's why my body is very stiff. Sometimes I experience like pain in my back. But this week, girl, since I've been working out, it ain't been none of that. So maybe that's just what my body needed. Maybe my body was telling me, like, Taniyah, you need to work out. You need to work out. And finally, I listened. But I'm going to see if I can keep this trend up. Next week, though, from my 9 to 5, I'm on vacation. So we'll see if I can keep this trend up while I'm on vacation. And if I can do it while I'm on vacation from my job, which is the only reason why I wake up early in the morning, then I'm that girl. Just wanted to come on and start the vlog off for the weekend. Today is Thursday.
Do you need a straw?
Yes.
Have a good day.
You too, thanks. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog my week, being that I'm on vacation. I don't have like anything planned per se, but I don't know, I might vlog. It's up in the air. I don't know. It all depends on how I feel, to be honest, because this weekend, honestly, I'm not doing much of anything, but we're gonna vlog it. If I'm doing something fun, I'll vlog it. Let's say that, because I'm not doing something fun just to vlog. But I will see y'all later on today. Adios. Hey y'all, what's up? So it's much later on this Thursday. I haven't really done much of anything, to be honest, except work. I ordered some Chinese food a little bit earlier. Y'all know I'm always eating damn Chinese food on Thursdays. So I ordered Chinese food and it was smack. I don't know if it has something to do with the fact I was hungry, which is why I say the food was good, but it was good to me. I was just hungry. So right now I just finished my part-time job and I'm getting ready to get me a coffee. I was trying to have a vlog go live today, but I don't know what's going on with the video. Finally, I am not sore from Pilates. I still feel it in my core a little bit, but my body is finally good. I don't know if I want to work out tomorrow or not, because I'm going to definitely take off Saturday and Sunday. I am not, literally not working out Saturday or Sunday. I'm getting ready to go get me a coffee. Because it's too early for me to be doing all this. I need to finish laminating some classroom stuff. Literally, y'all, being a pre-K teacher, work never stops. I mean, granted, it's easy work, but work never stops. Laminating things is easy. I don't have a problem laminating. It's just the fact that my laminator makes this clicking sound for whatever reason. So I don't know. And then I don't even know why I'm rushing to get things laminated, because my mom has some of my work that I actually made that also needs to be laminated, but she ain't gave it back to me yet. So I just want to have it ready to put out after we get back from vacation. This week I'll be on vacation. Whoop, 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 whoop. Super excited about it. Hopefully I can get some content, some lifestyle content, because right now your girl is really on the lifestyle vibe when it comes to creating content for YouTube and Instagram. Okay, don't forget it, because now I'm trying to be an Instagram girl. Oh, and I did want to let y'all know that I had an opportunity to be a brand ambassador for a specific company. I will not name it. I actually turned it down because they asked for a little bit too much. Like, I don't wear makeup every day, and with that being said, like lashes and stuff, I don't wear those all the time. I don't even remember the last time I wore lashes. So I would not feel comfortable being a brand ambassador for anything that has to do with makeup, being that I wear it so rarely. I've been into natural face, so being that I don't wear makeup like that, I was like, no thank you. At first, you know, I reached out to them. I showed them that I was interested, but whenever she told me how often I had to post and how regular, you know, I would have to just be on top of things like that, I was like, that don't sound like me. So I told her, I was like, you know, I'm sorry, I know I reached out to you first, you know, letting you know I was interested, but now I'm really having to think, like, really take into consideration what I actually do and what I actually don't do, and not just accept the brand deals just because I'm ready to get to that level. I'll get to that point, and it'll be brand deals for things that I actually use and that I actually do, and that, you know, I just want to be genuine and authentic. You know, right now I'm really into lifestyle. I'm really into body care, skincare, and I'm gonna have a recent video coming soon for body care. I'm really into what I already have. I'm not trying to emphasize my look or anything like that. So yeah, I mean, it'll come a time where I'll put on makeup, or if I want to go out in public and like be treated a certain type of way, because y'all not gonna tell me that people who look nice don't get special treatment. If it ever comes to a point where I'm like, okay, well, I'm not at work, I'm on vacation, I want to go to Panera Bread. I'm saying that because Panera Bread is right here. I want to go to Panera Bread. I'm gonna go all dressed up and with makeup and all this and that. They are gonna treat me different than if I came in there in a bun and sweatpants and no bra. So yeah, people treat you different whenever you look nice. But I will catch up with y'all tomorrow. I'm not even gonna hold y'all and be like, oh, I will see y'all later. No, baby, See you tomorrow. Hey y'all, what's up? It's the next day. I'm vlogging on my tablet, which I don't like. The device I was vlogging on, my boyfriend was like, I need to use it for an alarm because my speaker on my phone is not working. So I was like, dang, you know what? Well, sweetie, I'm vlogging, okay? And he was like, a vlog is more important than me getting up for work. And I was like, no, but, you know, so I was like, you can have it. You know what? Yeah. Use it and get ready for work. I'll see what I can do. Use the alarm so you can get up for work. It's not more important. You know what? You getting up for work is more important. It is. In my mind, I was like, okay, well, I have a tablet. So I'm not vlogging on my personal phone. I'll just vlog on the tablet. And this is how y'all got here. So, yeah, but it's Thursday morning. No, this is not Thursday. It's Friday. It's the next day over here. I do not want to go backwards. So happy Friday, y'all. And I'm getting ready to get me something to eat. Because I'm hungry. I'm starving. I ate super early last night. Which was crazy to me. Because now I wake up and I'm starving. So I keep moving back and forth. You know what? I'll just see you guys later, okay? We're going to the gym later on, so I'll see you guys later. It's Friday, a little bit later, and we're back to vlogging on my phone. So yeah, y'all, I'm getting ready to head to the gym and sauna and work out a little bit. I'm super excited about it, to be honest. I feel so motivated now that I have found cool ways to work out. This weekend it's a wrap. I'm not working out this weekend. Getting ready to go to the gym and sauna, and I'm gonna take you guys with me.
Hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get high and go low. Now girl, won't you drop that thing down to the flow? I'm here for one night, how far will you go? I wanna see you work out for me, work out for me. High and go low. Now girl, won't you drop that thing down to the flow? I'm here for one night, how far will you go? I wanna see you work out for me, work out. Hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then, hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then,
Alright girl, so the workout is over, it's done. I feel like I did so well, taking it nice and smooth. One of my favorite parts had to have been the elliptical. I would say that's where I looked my best, I felt my best. It was challenging to do, but I still liked it. I'm getting ready to finish up my part-time job, and then my auntie is making some crab legs, and I will probably go to her house because there's nothing else to do. Ooh, hey y'all. I'm here. I made it. They said Jocelyn Hernandez is gonna be on P Valley, y'all. I don't watch that. Y'all watch that? I don't watch that.
Okay. Girls sleep with girls, men sleep with men. It's just hard.
No, I'm not interested.
He's drooling. He's drooling. Can you got all that dog food over there? That's what you better eat. He's drooling.
Hey! Look at him, boy. Look at him. He looks so good. Look at get back in there. Get. Good boy.
They're working together, guys. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff.
King. Look at him looking at me. Like, what you want, bitch?
Like what, Mom?
What you want, bitch?
Saying Burko.
I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get? Tell me now, but I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. Yeah. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get? Tell me now, but I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. Yeah. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I've been traveling around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, do it Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that you don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off a plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you done put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, or that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get? Tell me now, but I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. Yeah. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get? Tell me now, but I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. Yeah.
Hi everyone. As bad as I would like to say good morning because I haven't came up here, but good evening. It's not even afternoon anymore. It is Saturday evening around 7 o'clock in the evening, and I am just getting out of the house for today. I haven't been out all day long, but I have to get my groceries for this week, and even though I am off and on vacation this coming up week, I still want to maintain what I have been doing, like the routine that I have been in, going to the grocery store to get what I need. First time going out today. We've been in the house cleaning and just trying to organize my living space. I love it when my space is clean and organized and just well kept. I'm getting ready to go get me a coffee because I got enough reward points to get a free one, so I'm gonna enjoy this free coffee today. Granted, even though we have to do all of this running around, I forgot my tripod, y'all. Just charge it to my mind, not my heart, because I was recording in the house, you know, recording myself cleaning, and I had transferred my phone holder to my big tripod and left my little tripod somewhere at home. So it's at home somewhere, so I won't be able to take y'all in the grocery store with me because I don't have a tripod. And as y'all saw, I was getting rid of my shoes, so I'm getting ready to take some shoes into this dump right here. Yeah, so I put out my sandals, and it was a couple sandals that was just ugh. Y'all know the furry fly. It's a tongue twister. Good grief. Furry slides stage is gone. So my furry slides are in this dump, and anything that had fur on the shoes, it just had to go, because the furry flip-flop stage, that's done.
Hey, what can I get started for you?
Hey, can I get a large iced Americano? Can you make it with vanilla sweet cream,
Okay.
white chocolate mocha, and 1 pump of classic?
So you said white chocolate mocha and how many pumps of classic?
Just one.
Just one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what else for you?
And can I have cinnamon powder on top? And that'll be all.
Okay, and sorry, just to make sure real quick, it was 1 pump classic and you want, it comes with 6 pumps of white mocha standardly. Did you want 6 or 1?
You can actually give me 3.
3? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, groceries are done. Not a tremendously bad experience. I stayed within budget, which is good. I forgot to show y'all my outfit today. So my outfit is from Blush Mart. It's just this 1-piece romper set with the back out. I always wear this romper without a bra, and it just looks so effortless. I have really been into very effortless looks for this summer, because who wants to spend a lot of time putting an outfit together? So this romper I got last season from Blush Mart. It is super cute. Since I've lost weight, I could wear a medium, but this is in the size large, and it's rib knit material. And for my shoes, these I literally just got in the mail. These are literally a Hermes dupe from a company called Fashion Junkie. So I got these from Fashion Junkie. They were very affordable. They were $29, and I got these in the size 8. If your feet is very wide like mine, you want to size up. So typically I wear size 7, 7.5, but I got these in an 8, and they fit so perfectly on my feet. And I also got my mom a pair too, because she loves sandals and stuff like this. So, and these are what they look like on my feet. They are super cute and comfy. I did have the size up, but it was for comfortability around this area right here. So yeah, they are so cute. I love these sandals. But anyways, now I'm finna put groceries up. I'm gonna let y'all watch me put the groceries up.
Not into wasting time. I was just doing fine. Should I find something new, or should I be tripping on you? These decisions ain't easy. Believe me, I know it's hard to read me. And I know with these girls I'm getting greedy, cause I can't find one that knows how to treat a man. I'm just really trying to understand, who really trying to know who I am. Cause right now I can't even trust my friends. I'm trying to live my life right. That's all I'm trying to do, right? Won't you be my peace? Taking time. When I could be your peace. When I could be. Please don't make me wait. Please don't. I'm going up my way. You wait. They couldn't take your place. Please don't make me wait. I'm going up my way. I wouldn't make you wait. They couldn't take your place. Everything I get, you get a piece. Why you can't sit back and be my piece? It was looking dry, I bought a piece. Complaining about the smell, I bought a teeth. She can buy her own bags, I bought a 3. Something about us, why she like the part they call her 3. Relationship goes on them, J&B. Every little secret that we got, I'ma keep going. So much on my mind, I need to unwind. Can you do that for me, baby? Yeah. I'm just trying to find home intentions in the dark and the light. And I know she's right, and I know you ain't seen a young like me. So let me know if you with me, cause I'm just trying to live my life. Won't you be my peace? Why we taking time? When I could be your peace.